Unboxing Philip just arrived again. We order in Lazada. There we go. Oops.
That's what I want, right there.
Oh, naday na solid
Piston. Ay, what? Amot lang.
Oh, that sucker's
Ay,
huge.
hangin na, bomba.
Oh, eh. I think one can is good enough on that. Imagine 7 inches. So pricey. Piston grip grace gun.
This is what I wanted.
Oh, that's the one. So nice. This is so pricey. That's the price. Very pricey.
See, they don't have tubes here. You gotta loosen it up so you get air on the inside. Should be able to pull now.
There you
Okay, now you stick a tube of grease in, which they have no clue what that is here, and then you just close it. You put it in there and close it. What I got to do is basically just put
Let
the
me see.
grease down in there.
Oh, yeah.
See, in the U.S., our grease comes in tubes.
Tube, yeah. So it's not
You just
messy.
slip the tube in there, crack the top open, stick it on there, and then hit the thing here. And that way you can...
So do you have that one before?
Oh, sure. Honey, anytime you work on cars, there's grease fittings on cars.
Excuse me.
This is what the pros, the mechanics use, the big stuff like that.
So the car won't be squeaky anymore.
Well, it doesn't mean it at all. This will take care of one of the things, and maybe that's it.
Yeah, gotta
And
try
then
it.
again, maybe it's not.
Or that might be from the tires, so you need to buy a
No, it's not from the
proper
tires. It's either
size.
from the main spring, or it's these grease fitting joints that have never, I'm sure, have never been greased. And it's remember, this is a 2003. It is 16 years old.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Yeah.